teens. Habang gumagawa, ay naisipan ngang gawing bangko ng teens ang kanilang pabigat.
Thank you, Kuya, for the sock.
Thank you!
Yeah, it's so helpful.
Helpful! Mas mabigat pa sa akin yung akin, porkit yung sa'yo magaan.
Oh, ano? How is that my fault?
Don't even say thank you. Cause someone is really having a hard time. Kasi every time nagagalaw kami, kailangan muna namin unahin yung mabigat. At lalo na kuya, pasabog sa makama nakalagay.
Well. What